Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply, and this video is to bring you a closer look at the Bommer number F7110-5. This is a replacement spring for the 7100 and 7300 series pivots. And those series of pivots are their large double-acting, large body double-acting pivot assemblies that you'll see on courtroom doors is where you see them. Hopefully you never see them. I've never seen one in that setting. And there is a link, and I'm looking at the catalog page here. There is a link below this video to the product catalog that will give you an overview of the 7100 and 7300. There's also instructions there how to reactivate the pivot. That might be a set of installation instructions that you might want to review when you are changing the spring on that unit as well, so that's handy. And this video is really to serve as visual and dimensional evidence of the item, as much, I suppose, as anything else. So let's go over some dimensional properties. An overall height of the spring, and obviously not trying to influence it at all, 2.061 from this end over to this end. 2.061, so basically 2 1/16. The diameter of the spring, 1.739. 1.739 diameter. Thickness of the spring itself, it's going to be about 0.105. 0.105 thickness of the coil, in terms of how thick it is. Then the width of the coil, 0.158. 0.158 in terms of its thickness. Okay. Not common to replace a spring in a Bommer pivot, although at the same time not unheard of. With enough use and volume, you will find yourself in a position where the spring obviously can fail, like any other mechanical piece of equipment. There is a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the Bommer products that we sell, but also a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as a link to the full product catalog. Any questions on the Bommer F7110-5 replacement spring for the 7100 or 7500 series double-acting spring pivots, or any other Bommer product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you.